How to adjust the volume of this laptop using the keyboard. It's an Acer Ferrari one. More exactly, it's N214. To do that, we have to use the function key, which is here on the left side, and we have to use the arrows, which are here on the right side. They also have that red volume sign there. Volume down and volume up, plus the function. And after that, you will have here in the upper left corner that volume sign. So function and volume up, function and volume down, increase or decrease. So hold down the function here on the left side and hold the up. Function up increases the volume, function and down decreases the volume. Increase, decrease. Okay, and you have also the mute button, which is F8. So you have to use this button plus the function, because otherwise it will use the white letters, which is F8, and with function, by holding down the FN button also, it will use the lower one, which is the mute and unmute function. So function F8, it displays an X there, and it's muted. Function F8, now it does not have an X. Function F8, now it's muted. Function F8, now it's not muted. That muting is visible here on the tray bar also. So function F8, now it has an X here. Function F8, now it does not have an X. Muted, unmuted. Function and F8. Mute, unmute. Ferrari logo is here. Ferrari 1 is mentioned here.